I'm architect Sarina Aftab, and today we're in Phase 5 DHL Lahore to show you guys this one canal house in Phase 5 with a demand of 16 crore 50 lakh rupees. So let's start the video. So this is the Spanish classical inspired design of this one canal house in Phase 5. Just look at the magnificent white and cream color design that brings a sort of sophistication to the house. I really like this small cozy lawn. You can hear the dogs barking in the background of the neighbors. So this is the cozy lawn, and I really like the boundary wall. They've used wrought iron and all the classical elements along with this backdrop. I think this would make a perfect backdrop for your small events or even your photo shoots. And right here we have the porch of the house. It's a tiled porch, so you can park up to 3 cars in this particular porch. Here we have our mosaic calligraphy, a very beautiful tile mosaic, and flanked by 2 beautiful columns. We have the elevation of the house. Just look at the beautiful dentils and cornices that they've used. The decorative elements in this entire elevation are really not minimum, but honestly just the perfect amount of decorative elements that you would want in a classical style house. So here we have our, I think it's at least 20 feet heighted door, the entrance door that will take us inside. A very beautiful door, guys. It's on theme with the main gate as well. So let's go inside. And we're in the lobby of the house. Right in the entrance foyer, we have this beautiful chandelier. And here I'm going to take you to the drawing and dining room. So this house is designed by Ayaz Khan Architects, and the interior has also been done by them. This is a drawing and dining room combined. We have a 8 people dining table. Dine-in, again a very beautiful and antique style chandelier going in theme with this house. I particularly really like the color that they've used in these walls along with the moldings. A very antique and beautiful touch. It's a little bit of a neoclassicism touch to it. Like I said, the furniture is all from Ayaz Khan Architects and Interiors. I'm going to take you guys to the kitchen that is connected right. So here we have the kitchen. Right next to the drawing and dining room, we have our dirty kitchen, which makes it very accessible to take your food out to the guests or your dining party. It's a completely fully furnished kitchen. It's imported design hai sara. We have all of the appliances are already installed. We have a double door fridge from Haier, a microwave and oven, and a very classical themed kitchen. Here is the living room of the house. Once again, classical themed hai. I particularly love the Persian carpet that they've used. There are paintings that have been painted and designed for this particular house. In particular, I really like this one because it has that English garden vibe to it, adding a bit of a more classical touch to this particular room. So right here we have the wallpapers and the light, all of which are imported from Dubai, by the way. So a very premium and classic house with imported features. Here is the first bedroom of this house, which is the master bedroom for this floor, by the way. So a fully furnished bedroom. We have our sitting spaces right by the window, an ottoman, a bed, along with 2 bedside tables. And right here is the bathroom. So here is the next bedroom, which honestly, I really like the furniture of this bedroom. I think it's very different to all the other classical houses that we have done before. It's rattan furniture with, once again, a very, I need you guys to notice on this main feature of this bed, a very classical and English romanticism vibe to it. And here is the wallpaper, once again, a floral wallpaper imported from Dubai, very on theme. And here we have the bathroom of this room. So all the tiles used in the bathrooms are from Calais, and the bathroom accessories are the shower and WC are from Grohe, and the rest of them are imported. Okay, so we're back in the living area, and this is the flooring that they've used in most of the house. It's black marble, and the tiles that they've used are from, once again, imported from Dubai. I'm going to take you guys outside to the lobby again, and here is our powder room. And now we're going to the first floor of this house. So now we're on the first floor of the house, and you can see the lobby from here. We have the direct view towards the lobby and this beautiful antique chandelier, which is once again imported from Dubai. Right next to this, we have our arches with columns, again a decorative element in the walls. And this is my favorite room of this house. With accents of sky blue color in the wallpaper and curtains, we have this beautiful antique inspired bed that goes completely with the vibe and the setting of this entire house, as well as this particular room. I love the lightings that they've used. I wouldn't normally be inclined towards using them, but in this room, I think it completely matches the vibe along with the moldings. A very old school Haveli vibe to this room, and this is our master bathroom. So we have access towards our side terrace from here as well. And here's a console with a mirror. And right here, through a semi-opened art spaces, we have a very beautiful living area. I particularly really like, I'm going to reiterate this one thing. Just look at the arches, guys. The arches that give us the view towards the staircase and from there to the downstairs lobby. Here we have a wallpapered wall with moldings, a console, a very beautiful contemporary seating interior design, and I'm going to take you guys to the side terrace from here. Once again, they've used wrought iron and a mix of molding, so very classical design, and it's furnished, sort of. We have our outdoor furniture right here. Here we have access towards the bedroom that we just saw, and next I'm going to take you guys to the bedroom that is once again attached to the terrace, and this is the second bedroom of the first floor. So this is the second bedroom of the first floor with a dark blue and grey theme. This is again a very on theme bedroom. We have grey wallpapers with moldings, a seating and a bed that has yet to be installed in this room, and here is the bathroom. And we're once again in the living area, and here we have our small kitchenette with this beautiful small light, so you can satisfy your midnight cravings but with a light on top of your head. And here is the last bedroom of this house. A very dreamy vibe. I really like the white and cream colors that they've used. We have once again a sitting, a console, a bed set, and here is the bathroom. So this was the entire house, and now I'm going to tell you guys the most important feature of this house, which is, like I've said a lot of times before, we really need to shift towards solar energy now, and this house has that feature already installed. We have 16 kilowatt solar panels installed on the rooftop of the house, along with damping sheets, which are also insulation sheets. So a very informed decision on the builders of the house, and I think you would really like to live in this house. So let's go downstairs. So we're done with the entire house tour for today. Let us know in the comment section which part of the house was your favorite. I'm architect Samin Aftab, and don't forget to subscribe to Pavilion Estates official YouTube channel, and do press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video.